Okay guys, here we are again, another video of the Electric Razor app YouTube channel. I'm going to do something very similar today to the last video I did, but also different for a couple of different reasons. Number one, it's an unboxing of another Aberlite Touch 2 head razor. Okay? And the reason for that is the first run of these razors had a defective head locking mechanism. And unfortunately, mine was one of the ones with this defective head locking mechanism. So the company sent me another one. And also, this is, of course, a true unboxing. You see the box right here. So I'm going to open it up right on camera here. And we're going to see what's inside. We're going to see how this thing differs as well, because apparently all of the spare parts for the first Touch 2 won't work with this one. So we'll see if it looks any different than the first one does. And we'll just open this up here. Okay. Paper, label, there we go. Set that aside. So here we are again, guys. Again, the Aberlite Touch 2. This is gold this time, it says. So I guess that'll be different because the first one was silver. So the gold one, I don't know if you can see that. Let's get a shot of this here. You can see my ring light anyway. Okay. There you go, gold. I think you can see that. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's just actually, before we do that, let's just read what it says on the box. Okay, so ultimate closeness, skin comfort, wet dry use, 90 minutes runtime. Grammatically incorrect, of course. It should be 90-minute runtime. But what else do we have here? Just, yeah, the barcode, made in China, of course. Model number H100. So let's open this up. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, so here we are. We've got the razor. You can definitely see it's gold. And it's got the protective cap that covers the whole razor, just like the other one does. There's the back. You see the USB-C port. And then it's got a little quick tip card on the front of the razor, which I'm sure, or the bottom, I guess you could peel that off eventually if you want. Let's just see what that says. It says, Touch 2 foil shaver quick tips for best results. Use on 1 to 2 day stubble. If hair is longer, trim first with clipper, trimmer, or rotary shaver. Dry skin only, no water or cream. Funny how they say it's wet dry, but yet here they say dry skin only. Light pressure, let foils glide. Short circular strokes for best pickup. Okay, I disagree with that. This is a foil razor. This isn't a rotary razor, okay? You don't do circular strokes on a foil. You do paintbrush motions, up and down, you know, side to side, whatever, not circular. But I guess we'll see. Maybe, you know, we'll see what happens if I try up and down motions. It doesn't work, but I'm sure it will. This is a foil razor. Sensitive skin, apply 2 to 3 drops of shaving oil and wait 2 to 3 minutes to reduce redness. Hydrate your skin. Apply a warm, damp towel for 2 to 3 minutes to soften hair, and reduce irritation. Maintenance, clean after every use. Replace foil and cutters every 3 to 6 months. For shaver, finisher, not for longer. Oh, foil shaver, finisher, not for long hair. Well, of course, it's not for long hair. Avoid wet shaving. Keep skin taut for smoother passes. Isn't that interesting? Avoid wet shaving. And yet again, on this box, it says that it's wet dry, right? Wet dry use. So I'll have to get in contact with Aberlite and see why the discrepancy, you know. I noticed this too, on the foil razor's cap here, the full body razor cap, it's got these little cutouts on the side. You see these little cutouts, and so you can put your finger there and just slide it off. I don't know if the old one had that. I've got to check that later, I guess. But yeah, this sticker just peels off. You can see there's a little tab up top here, and you just bring that down and peel it off. Okay, so there's the razor. Okay, put it there so you can see it. We'll have a look under the hood here, as the losers would say. Okay, typical instructions, right? It's got the, yeah, look at this. It's got the little tip card here as well. So you've got the tip card on the instruction manual and then on the razor as well. Okay, let's just make sure it's the same, identical card. Yes, it is. So let's do this. Let's peel off this little tip card here since it doesn't need to be here. And we'll just go from there. Yeah, and of course, it doesn't want to come off all in one piece, does it? It's going to come off in 30 pieces. Well, yeah, I don't think so. So I'll do that later. And then in here, you've got all the stuff. You've got, it looks like a little drawstring bag for the razor. Okay, Aberlite. You've got the coiled USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You've got a wall charger for it, USB-A to the wall. And you've got a little cleaning brush in here as well. Okay, so throw those back in there for now. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, again, the accessories that we need to use this razor. We've got the razor itself, again, the protective cap. Let's try to maybe pick this off a little bit more here, this label we don't need. Maybe I'll have better luck with it this time here, hey? Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Sticky little bit of residue there. That's okay. Let's see if this thing has charge at all. The old one, when I would press this button, there'd be a ring that would come and light up, and then when the ring was fully lit up, then it would start. Let's see if that's the case with this. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, there's the razor, vibrating, of course, ready to shave. Hear that? There you go. Okay, so despite it having a little bit of charge, obviously, I'm still going to do what they recommend. I'm going to charge this for, I think it was 2.5 hours. That reminds me, that's another thing we should do, is actually look at this manual here and just see if it's a 2.5 hour charge with this new model here. Okay. Okay, I don't really see anything here yet about the charging time. Okay, here it is right here. Page 16. Yeah, 2.5 hours still. So it's still 2.5 hours. And it's got specifications, weight, dimensions, 87 by 78.6 by 52 millimeters. The weight with cover, 248 grams. The weight without cover, 197 grams. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's the whole package, guys. I'm going to charge this up here and give a shave video next. I'll do a shave video, and of course I'll post that when it's ready. So there you go, guys. This is the Aberlite Touch 2 foil head razor, the gold version. Okay, so remember to subscribe to the Electric Razor App YouTube channel. Also, I want you to visit www.electricrazораpp.com as well. The message forum, the official message forum of Electric Razor App. Subscribe there too, or join. And we've got a lot of new visitors, lurkers there all the time. We're getting some serious traffic on that board now, so join us. Also, buymeacoffee.com/Electric Razor App if you want to donate some money so I can buy new razors and review them here. That'd be greatly appreciated. So until then, guys, thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.